Hey, ha, yo, yo,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kom Cultural Dance from Koirentak Village, Shishipu District. Ladies and gentlemen, they begin the dance with Zou Lam. This dance is traditionally performed among the Kom community since from the ancient days, when individuals are engaged in any kind of physical work, mainly during cultivation like plowing, sowing, harvesting. It manifests the beginning of the day of the work as an encouragement among the laborer and to rejuvenate the exhaust mind, body, and soul. Uzolam is followed by Raivang Lam, also known as Flower. Back in the olden days, Raivang Lam is performed during the blooming season of flowers, Raivang, as a merrymaking by the youth of the Kom villages since from the ancient times. Among all the Kom traditional cultural dance, now the Salin and Satlam, the harvest dance is one of the most interesting and the fascinating dance. The dance is performed during the harvest season by the youth, every individual who engage in harvest. They sing and perform this dance. The dance uplifts the strength of the people. It elevates the mood. It prevails bliss and joy during the harvest. This harvest dance is still exists in the modern world among the Kom tribe, mainly during the harvest season. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who have been playing the flute is now they are performing the Cornu Lam. In Kom history, Cornu was a beautiful lady who was wooed by a handsome young man. One day, the charming musical instrument called Rusham, the flute, he played the instrument. The music was so exotic that he began to dance, leaving behind her weaving. This is how they express their romance, and till today, the Cornu have been performed. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who played the Rusham is a man who led the Kom Cultural Dance Troop back in the 1967 and 1984 at Delhi, represent Manipur at the celebration. Now, the Cornu is followed by the Railam as a tradition among the Kom tribe. Back in the days, each and every household of the youth yearly gather and went to the hills to collect the different varieties of orchid plants. They exchanged the orchid plants among the youth of the village and the bosom laboring youth of the village as a mark of expressing the affection, respect, and unity among the youth. They perform the Railam dance. This is called the drum dance, Vaiphei La. According to the history of Kom, when the Kom tribe emerged from the Vaiphei, also known as the Big Cat, they bypassed various numbers of villages, various castes and creeds. In Kom, Vai implies a non-tribal community, and Ku is known as a drum. Vaiphei dance signified the bond of adoration, harmony, and unity between the Kom tribe and other communities, wherever the Kom tribe habitat land. This is another exotic dance of the Kom tribe in the modern world, also known as the Depkanok. This is called the Arkompalam. A folk dance is performed by the youth as an expression of desire, love, and courting between the lovers. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the folk dance in Kom Arkompalam. Our kompa is followed by a sandrong. This dance is performed when a battle is won from the enemy as a mark of celebration of their victory. The people transform their happiness, glory, and peace in the form of dance. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, the last item of the dance has come. This is called Paite. It is an exotic form of dance which is usually performed by the youth of any Kom community. And this marks the end of the dance. We'd like to thank the Kut community, the Kut committee, and all the dignitaries and all the audience for making this moment a marvelous and a joyful moment. Thank you. Paite.